Hello everybody, and today I will show you how to make, not make, get a ticket classic for yourself or any other popular mod pack. So what you do is go to any browser, I use Google Chrome, and type in techandpack.net. This link will be in the description. Click download, and then click Windows OS X Linux, whatever you have, and follow the instructions to download. Once you download, you will have in your downloads this icon. Drag it onto your desktop, open it, and you might need to log on, and you will get this page, Discover. Click Mod Packs because that's what you want, and then you will have tons of mods. All these mods are simply just press install and you will get it. And then every time after that, you will have this these options, delete pack or play. And I already installed this, so I'm gonna play. I'm gonna click play, and it should open up eventually. Yeah, and now you can do whatever video, for example, and I'm proving that it works. This might be loud. So you only got a glimpse, but that's because I haven't set my master volume to low yet. And it is for the old version of Minecraft. No commands, but that's the new launcher. Yeah, that's all I can say. 3.1.2. Yeah. And this is how you can play Tekkit. And be sure before you have Tekkit to have Minecraft. And yeah, if you like this video, please comment, like, it only takes a second, and maybe subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.